Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Asus laptop plugged in but not charging. So this is what I did to fix it. You just come at the bottom left, right click on your start icon, and then I want you to click here on device manager. Okay, now once your device manager opens up, what I need you to do is look right here for the drivers for the battery itself. So we are going to wait for this to load up, and then as you can see right here, if we scroll down, you will see this right here. It says batteries, and what I need you to do is right click on each one of them and click on update driver. Okay, search automatically for updated driver software, and I need you to do the updates for these. So once you find the update, I want you to install that. That should fix your issue. Or what you can do is do a battery reset. So the way you do this, you turn off your laptop and you unplug it, okay? And then you hold the power button for 30 seconds and then just reconnect the charger without the battery. If the battery is removable, mine was removable. So you do that, and the laptop actually works without the battery. And then you turn on the laptop. And then if the battery is removed, you reinsert it and then see if it's working properly. Okay? And that should fix your issue. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.